na duine an dú ha mé an búscail Condorrat an cumar na nalt, gus féin amach cimar a bheits a chláin is a scoil seo a cleachcu na Gaelic. Ha siomh sé ule ag a bhór seo ar san uair go mac cútarach. Díobh si bh déanam?
Hashin a gobal in duine nasbeke agus a ledige agus a gobal.
So ma ha leorachge agus tófan nach búlach cínteach chun a faclan an búsa an gideachú.
Bhí me like a spelling out na faclan agus a kitchen de a sin bhar.
Agus sin nuoin na hástal go cóig cinneá sia?
Coig is si.
Má hín.
Éis gacah? Go féil? Gadíad?
So dé sin na gra?
Si.
La? Sin glíwa?
So you don't speak Gaelic, Caddis, but you've maybe heard people speaking Gaelic in the school, is that right?
Yes, my fake cousin, what we call her cousin, she is in a Gaelic class.
And does that mean that you sometimes learn words from her and hear her speaking Gaelic?
Yeah.
I can speak to people with different languages. What cannot speak English, I can speak Gaelic to them. If they don't speak Gaelic, I can teach them to speak Gaelic.
It's quite fun.
Yeah.
Written more like hashin a fine tall opportunities, hashin a gene of Celtic connections.
Oh.
Here Monday last Seachdain, agus vashin rivisach sporza, agus hatar like opportunities of vashin Caill I an in class I a fine, agus haididach hashin ounce of Gaelic, agus hashin a fine sin.
Agus an talach a Gaelic?
Yeah,
Stel go bhór? Stel?
yeah, it's tall.